a little bit earlier. Yes. Don't worry, gonna be all fine.
Hi guys, my name is Anna and I am a trader in binary options, and I want to tell you one good news. I have free Telegram channels, absolutely free, where I post signals and we can actually trade together. I'm just welcoming all of you who are into it or interested to just follow my links and find my Telegram channels to trade together.
Hi guys, my name is Anna. I'm still right here at my favorite spot and making my favorite videos. I'm not getting tired, and I'm just gonna show you more all of that videos. Today is gonna be the easy strategy with the free indicators based. I'm a little bit in a talkative mood, so who knows how it's gonna be today for us. Let's check it out. So guys, here we are just at the table and preparing all that we are gonna do today. And here's gonna be 1 minute interval, 311 as a start, and currency pairs with biggest payouts. Lots of you just making me, lots of comments that it's only OTC, but I would say that in my case, I just choose currency pairs with the biggest payouts, and here just to show you how it's actually working. I don't quite being picky, just choosing all these top currency pairs, and don't think much about that, because this is actually for the video. And I must say, in my own trading, sometimes I choose not that much currency pairs, sometimes actually even more, and it's quite different. Sometimes I just choose one just because I want to study and follow the market. So lots of options if you are trading a lot, just a lot. And meanwhile, I've been actually talking, just prepared all that we are having: moving average, MACD, and RSI. 100 out of the 100 actually quite predictable and stable indicators. So maybe with 300, it's gonna be just our chances to get it as a profit in the end. Let's see. And we're just gonna start here. All signs are clear and beautifully showing us we're getting upward. Look at the moving average and the candles and the MACD, and this green line are just trying to get more higher, and RSI also, plus the candles of the MACD. Let's check it out. And just as I told you, as we started clear and just catching that orange candle. Now, as we just started, it's gonna be all fine. Yeah, because I just believe in it. But this is such a dangerous handling. We just finished. Oh, look at that. Look at that MACD green line. It just started to get back. That happens, and the timing is perfectly important. So raising the bet, let's make it, and getting downward. So I hope it's not like the previous one, because in the previous case, we actually entered just in the middle or maybe closer to the end of the trend. And here we are just starting with the beginning, or even with a little bit of prediction. Look at that. MACD moving average is still reacting on what we actually are having here with the candles on the chart. But MACD is the perfect for that prediction matters, and you may see that the candle started to get smaller and started to be more red at all. And I just hope this green line not gonna be in some doubts anymore, and we just gotta get downward as we expected. RSI a little bit just in the peak previously, then started to be a little bit more flat than I wanted, but it's just fine. It was the peak, and we are expecting it's gonna be maybe not a drastic, not the huge and the massive fall, but anyway, I wanted to get downward. Yes, downward. And one more with these beautiful indicators. I'm not just gonna command it so much because it's quite visible and it's quite easy. And if you are interested in that exactly indicators, separately, you can find lots videos on my channel, actually with some of or with all of it together or separately, more and more. And I think the only indicator that needs some comments, this is MACD, but it's quite visible and easy to understand that the green line is the line that actually matters, and all the candles are just doubling what we are having. So we are rising, and rising and rising, and I hope it's just gonna continue, and I'm gonna skip it because like 10 seconds left, a little bit like that, and here is slowly but rising. And look at the RSI. I would say that if you're going to use only that indicator on the chart, or maybe RSI and the moving average, that's the profit. Now the moving average, it's not going to be enough, just because there are, not so picky. They are showing us some lines, moving average with the candles, RSI with the tendencies. You may see that the chart were like that, but RSI were a little bit flat. So MACD here is just the safest point. And that's us. So we are sliding and getting downward as actually much as we can, and I hope this is just the beginning of the tendency. It's going to be all fine for us. I don't like that distance that we are actually having, because the movement was so fast, and my levels estimated are quite. Sorry if you hear something bad, this is because I have my habit just to touch my neck, and I forget that the microphone right here today. What I've been telling you, the movement was so fast, so I made this bet a little bit. Maybe it's good sometimes, but it's that fast changing, you don't know what actually gonna be the profitable bet. Just because, I don't think that this slowest one was not. I made it so quick. Yeah. So just a little bit earlier. I'm gonna be on that estimated level. Few bets of it. Gonna be right here and not the one right here. This is just the bad luck, if I'm being honest. Just not the right timing, like a seconds later that actually I needed to make this bet. And again, we made it. Look at that. That's actually how the normal bets are gonna be looking. Just 4 bets, and it's just on the same level. Like in a row, you can see it, just the one estimated level, one line. And I must say, if you are having, like a letter, I don't show that situations, like a letter, because this is actually your, this is actually help you to be, in some cases, correct, in some cases, incorrect. But I do prefer make all these bets profitable, and I do like, to have it like in the 30 seconds, again, I make my bet. In the 30 seconds, again, I make my bet. I don't like it. I just go full bank and wait for the results, because the strategy I create just helps me to read that situations, the right entry points. But I've been actually seeing some traders that are using this later situation. Not my case. Maybe I'm going to show you in some videos, but so me been talking, and meanwhile, together with the MACD, we made it perfectly. We just entered in the middle, but we made it perfectly perfect, because MACD were clearly showing us the candles are red and they are rising and getting below zero. Nothing worth told today about that zero level, but check more videos with MACD. I'm gonna tell you more. Guys, when it's done, that's just done. We finished. Sorry for the touching. We finished. We're done. I would say the only disappointing moment for me right here was that bets, but actually in 1 or even less than a second, I got that distance from the bets. And even if you are perfectly perfect and you are, and as me, I was just like hoping that it's going to be that drastically falling, and that drastic fall just actually killed my bet. I think it was 1, right? So don't get disappointed. Don't blame yourself. Just trade, try it. And I must say, lots of questions about how actually I am getting that good or I am getting that professional. Guys, I spent lots of time just doing that. And if you spend 1 hour, just 1 hour, maybe per week for trading, or 1 hour per day, you need to know that I actually spent like 40 hours per week. And this is just the difference.